Let's cook a Swift beef brisket.
I'm going to show you the parts of a Swift brisket. This is the fat cap on this side, and on the other side, this is called the flat, and this is called the point. The point actually to get tender takes a little bit longer because it's fattier to break down and make it tender. But there's a trick to that to make it cook more evenly.
We simply trim the fat cap down until it's even and level. Of course, you'll take a little more off one side. Look at that. Even and easier to cook. Season it up with your favorite barbecue rub and then put it on your smoker at about 250 to 275 until its internal temperature is 160. Then I wrap mine in butcher paper, but you could use foil too. Put it back on your grill or smoker until it's internally about 200.
I'm going to let this brisket rest in the cooler for a few hours, but don't keep it totally closed. You want that steam to escape because you don't want to ruin that bark. So I just take a glove and leave it propped open about an inch.
Now look at this. So tender I can pull that point right off. Be sure to slice it thinly against the grain. Now look how tender and juicy that is. You know you want a bite, right? And I always have to take a taste test for quality control.